Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Visa Harmony. Today I want to answer this question. Will I get pension if I surrender my 10-year green card? With Visa Harmony, we provide free guides and tips to make your US visa and immigration processing as smooth as possible. We also provide assistance with certain US petitions and immigration applications. We have first-hand experience. I am an immigrant myself. I came to the USA on a K-1 visa in 2013, went through the entire US immigration process. First the fiancé petition, then the adjustment of status, removal of conditions, and I became a naturalized US citizen in 2017. I will leave our contact information below. If you are a former US green card holder, now living outside of the USA, you might be wondering, can you still receive a US pension after surrendering your green card? The answer depends on a few key factors, but the good news is that your pension is not directly tied to your green card. Let's break it down. How do you qualify for a US pension? In the US, pension comes from different sources, including Social Security, private employers, and government programs. Here's how you qualify. For the Social Security pension, you must have worked in the USA and paid Social Security taxes for at least 40 quarters or 10 years to qualify for retirement benefits. Employer-based pension. If you worked for a company that offers a pension, you may still receive payments even if you live abroad. Government and military pensions. If you worked for the US government or military, you may still receive benefits overseas. Your immigration status does not affect your pension eligibility. What really matters is whether you paid into the system while working in the USA. Can you receive Social Security benefits abroad? Yes, the Social Security Administration, or SSA, allows eligible retirees to receive Social Security payments while living outside the USA. However, there are some rules. Number 1, you must be eligible for benefits, meaning you worked and paid into the Social Security for at least 10 years. Number 2, you must report your foreign address. SSA requires you to update your location for payment processing. Taxes may apply. Non-resident aliens may have US taxes deducted from their Social Security payments. There's a list of countries where Social Security payments are not restricted, like the Philippines, so you can still continue receiving benefits while living there. What happens if you surrender your green card? If you give up your green card, the US government will classify you as a non-resident alien. But this does not affect your Social Security eligibility. You can still receive payments as long as you qualify. However, you may need to file additional tax forms to comply with US tax laws on foreign income. How to receive your pension abroad? If you're living abroad, let's say in the Philippines, and you want to receive your US pension, follow these steps. Number 1, notify the Social Security Administration or SSA. Update your foreign address using Form SSA 21. Set up direct deposit. SSA allows payments to be deposited to foreign bank accounts in certain countries, including the Philippines. Check tax rules. You may need to file US tax returns on your pension income. Monitor payment restrictions. Some countries have restrictions, but the Philippines is not affected. Once you completed these steps, you can continue receiving your pension without issues. So, can you get US pension after surrendering your green card and living in the Philippines? Yes. Your pension is based on your work history, not your immigration status. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions on this topic, or if you have a specific topic or question you want us to make a video on, please post them in the comment section below or send us an email at ask@visaharmony.com. Thank you and see you next time.